How to add a new blank slide in your PowerPoint. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your PowerPoint and now open your PowerPoint project. After that, in order to create a new slide and that too in blank slide, what you will have to do is you will see an option new slide in this home menu. Simply drag down this new slide button and then you will get a bunch of options when you click on it. So all you have to do is simply select a blank slide and here you go. Your blank slide is now created. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down. I'll catch you in the next one.